The buzz around the Olympic Village chocolate muffins is real. Made famous by Norwegian swimmer Henrik Christiansen, these muffins are a chocolate lover's dream. Imagine light, fluffy muffins packed with chocolate chunks and a gooey dark chocolate ganache center. These aren't just any muffins, they're a full-on chocolate experience. Henrik's TikTok videos about these muffins went viral, and it's easy to see why. They're rich, indulgent, and definitely not for the faint of heart. If chocolate is your jam, these muffins are about to become an obsession. For those eager to whip up their own batch, here are some tips. First, while giant muffin tins are great, regular muffin tins work too. Just adjust the baking time to 20 to 23 minutes for a dozen smaller muffins. Adding coffee to the mix enhances the chocolate flavor without being overpowering. If caffeine is a concern, decaf or skipping it altogether will still yield delicious results. Using chocolate chunks instead of chips is key for that extra chocolatey goodness. A mix of milk and dark chocolate makes for a delightful combination. And here's a fun twist. Adding a splash of cola or soda water gives the muffins a lighter texture. Making your own giant muffin liners is easy. Just use squares of parchment and a glass to shape them. These muffins are best enjoyed fresh, but they can be frozen for up to 3 months. So, whether you're an athlete or just a muffin enthusiast, these Olympic Village chocolate muffins are a must-try. So, who's ready to dive into this chocolatey adventure?